Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying both devices. Charge and power the SoundLink Flex, then open your laptop's Bluetooth panel so you can pair immediately. Put the Flex into pairing mode by holding the power or Bluetooth button until the indicator flashes. This tells the speaker to broadcast its name. Meanwhile, on the laptop, make sure Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable. If you use a dongle, plug it in now. Once both are discoverable, keep both screens visible so you can select the speaker when it appears. Now you pair and route audio. In the laptop's Bluetooth list, select Bose SoundLink Flex when it appears and click Pair or Connect. If a code appears, confirm it matches and accept. Most Windows and Mac OS pair without typing. Once connected, open Sound Output Settings and choose the SoundLink Flex as the default playback device so system audio goes to the speaker. If you need higher quality, check advanced properties for stereo versus hands-free modes and select stereo for music playback. Finish by testing audio. Play a familiar track and adjust both laptop and speaker volumes so sound is clear without distortion. Once satisfied, enable any auto connect or trust settings so the laptop connects automatically in future. If audio is delayed or missing, first check the laptop's output device and volume mixer, then power cycle the speaker and toggle Bluetooth on the laptop. If that fails, remove or forget the device and repair it. This resolves most handshake or profile conflicts quickly, so you can get back to listening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.